At Aallied Die Casting Company of North Carolina, excellence in aluminum die casting isn't just a promise, it's our legacy. Located in Rutherfordton, North Carolina, our team of dedicated, long-tenured professionals deliver expertly manufactured and finished parts, setting the standard for quality and innovation. We've built a reputation on achieving incredible work where other die casters have failed. Our expertise, range of die casting machines, technology, and automation systems allows us to adapt to an extensive range of industries and complex requirements. We optimize products to be stronger, lighter, and more cost-effective for our clients, delivering tailored solutions with unrivaled precision. RCM Industries' family culture extends to our unwavering customer care. We're committed to understanding your needs, exceeding your expectations, and providing real value through every stage of the manufacturing process. Experience the difference with Aallied Die Casting Company of North Carolina, an RCM Industries division. Let's build the future of manufacturing together.